Hello everyone. In today's video, I am taking an Excel class where we will learn about how to make annual progress report. That is a small project that is to be submitted regarding the progress report. So first of all, type here Excel, then click on this Excel 2013. Take the blank workbook. Now you can just see rows and columns are present. So first of all, our target is to make a progress report. For this, I need to enter some data. So you can just see that entering data is the first step of creating a worksheet. Now, we can enter the data in the form of numbers or text. And the simplest method is there. Either you have already entered data from different Excel files of different subjects. So you can copy and paste there. If you doesn't have, then enter as according to the format you have designed. Now let us enter the data first. So I have here I am taking roll number. So in the cell A4 I have entered roll number. Then in the cell B4 I will be writing the name so that the same column will be having the name list. Then press an arrow key so that the cell can be shifted. Press the subjects, write the subject's name, like I'm writing English, then write Hindi, maths. You can press tab also, that by the tab button it will be shifted to the next cell. Then science, then your computer, and then your social science. Then at last you need total for the subjects. Now come again to the roll number column, press 1. In the second next row, press 2. And if you want, just select 1 and 2, that is cell A5 and A6, and you can just see a small square box. So just drag it down up to 10. Now write up the names of students. Sanjay, Tarun, Pinky, Manoj, Rajesh, Dilip, Alok, Kavita, and Rima. So I have entered all the names of 10 students. Now let us enter the marks accordingly. And each paper is of your 100 marks. So, or it may be of 80 marks. So let us enter the marks accordingly. Click on the cell below English, that is C5. 70, 80, 75, 65, 80, 70, 75, 80, 50, 55, 65. Now as I have to enter all the marks here, so I'm just copying the same marks. I will change. So for copying, what I have done, I have selected and then I'm pasting it on Control V. So I will change somewhere like here 55, 65, your 80, 36, 46. Similarly, I will change somewhere here 78, 48, 68, 38. Similarly, I will change here 63, 53, 43, 73, 45, 55, 66. So in this way, I have changed the marks for each subject so that it is will be something like a progress report. Now here what I want total. Now what I will do, I need to total here. So I will come to I5. I will type I equal to. Then I need sum of uh, row 5. That is from here and up to social science. Again I will do equal to sum bracket. Then from English to social science. I will close the bracket and I will enter. So in this way, then a square mouse pointer is there. So drag it down. You will get it down the total for each row. Now select each column from here. Then double click it down. So according to the size, it will be fixed. Now what I want, I should select up to which I have entered the marks. Then I will go to alignment part, center your content. So now it will be center at the center. And one more thing, that name should be on the towards the left of the cell. So I will enter here and then again I will select, and from here border adjustment can be done. So it should be all border. And the top I will write on, I will select from A3 cell to I3 cell and I will merge it all the cells, and then while clicking on it I will write down in capital case annual progress report card, and on the above cell same thing I will do. I will select a whole number of cells and I will merge it down, merge and center. Then I will write on the school name which is applicable, like V IVEKNAN, the Vivekananda Public School. So whatever things you want to add, you can add accordingly. So just select both of things and increase the size. Let it be your 16. Down annual progress report can be 14. Now you can bold it by selecting the bold, and roll number, name, subjects, and your total can also be selected as bold. If you want, a gap should be there between annual progress report and this first head of the report. You can insert a row, and accordingly, as you find the line is there, so you can select these cells, and here you will write down no border, or you can just say uh, no border first. Now again select downside and apply for all border. So here a good gap is there. So if you want to decrease or increase the gap, you can select here and increase or decrease the height accordingly. Now I need to enter, I want that in my progress report I should have the average also. First of all, type average, then I need your maximum marks, and I need your minimum marks. So for the total part, so what I will do, I will be selecting a cell I18 near to average. So what I will do, equal to average. So you can select average here, and bracket start. From bracket start means whatever the total is there. So it is 408 average. Then maximum marks. So maximum is equal to max. It is you're selecting the whole column, it is I column. From I6 to I15, similarly min equal to min, then bracket, and select it down, close it down. So this is your average, maximum, minimum marks from the total part. Now what I want, that I need the percentage also. So I will write down percentage. I will increase the size so that it will possibly there, and I will select it down, and then I will say all borders, so it will be like all the borders will be lined up. Now what I want, percentage, this is of your 80 marks paper, let us see. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 6 48 out of 480, so equal to, so this person bracket start is getting 420, that is your I6, that is your I6, I6, first of all bracket start, then I6, it is 420, out of 420 is from 480, then multiply with 100, so it will give the percentage. So now just drag it down, and you will come across about the percentage. Now one thing we are able to see here, that this percentage is after decimal, it is coming to number of decimal places. So select this whole column, and here you can just see number, but decrease decimal or your increase decimal. So I need to decrease the decimal up to 2 decimal places I can add on. So I find that the percentage is calculated. Now align it down at the center from here. So this is how we can calculate the percentage also. Now if I want that a conditional formatting, so I will select this marks here and I will click on conditional formatting. What I want to highlight that how many students have got uh, between, let us say, between 70 to 80. So I will type here 70 and I will type here 80. So it will give me, and I'm selecting with color. What color will be there? That is light red filled with dark red text. So it will give you the marks between 70 to 80. Okay. So these students who have got between 70 to 80. Same thing I will do that how many students have got your less than less than 40 marks, and I will change the indicator, that is yellow. So I will press OK. So it will be that students who have got less than 40 marks. So this is what your conditional formatting. So here also I will make a table. Accordingly I will align it down these marks also, these numbers. Now what I need, I find that this cell is going a different part, so I will select the cells, these two cells, and I will merge it at the center. Similarly for the above, I will select these two cells and I will merge it at the center. So now what about the printing part? So first I will save the file. So uh, save as. So I will save here book 1. I will type the progress report and I will press save. The file is getting saved. Now I need to print, so control P, so it will show in this way. The page setup is there. Now what I want, I will first of all, before print, I will select the whole page, whole worksheet, and I will select the Arial mode. As I have selected the Arial mode, I find that these names have been going out of the cell. So what I will do, I will select these subject cells and I should increase the size. So in the format, go in the format and column width, let it be 14. So it is going out of the text. So in this way also you can format the cells height and width. So come and select here and drag it near to it and bring it down in the page. Here you can find the cell having social science subject. So it is going, it is not visible properly. So what I will do, I will wrap text so that it can be visible, and again I will select, I will find that these are going down in the cell. So by the cell alignment it can be possibly done. Now similarly percentage, I have to increase the size. Now this thing I find that it is going so what I will do, it is going out of the page, so little adjustment is required. I find that this subject name is smaller, so I can do it in this way. And here name and roll number should be aligned. Now I will go the page layout. In the margin I will custom margin it down. So here left is I will remove down as 1.8 to 1. In the top also I will remove from 1.9 to 1. In the right from 1.8 to 0, and in the bottom I will remove down from 1.9 to 0. Then OK. So I will get the space accordingly. Now you can just see by pressing Ctrl P. So I find it is going to be in a perfect manner. So in this way the page will be seen when it is printed. Now from here orientation I can see if I want that orientation to be landscape or portrait, I can select accordingly. At present it is portrait. And so this is how a simple I can change the name of the worksheet as rename progress report. And I should also enter this class annual progress report, and I can enter the class also accordingly whatever the adjustment to be done. So this is how we are making a simple progress report for any class in the Excel, and by using the specific formulas we can adjust it on.